Pasok. Pumasok ba? Oh yeah. Bola ng live team. Start of the first game. Uy, na-turnover agad ang pasa. Wax sa dos. Yes, sir! By naman ang dos. By Wax. 2 points. Narvaez. Pass to Javier sa ilalim. Yes, sir. Easy point. Nice assist. Pass to Romuel. To Eric. Tama ba? Eric. Driving in. Yes, sir. Tama ba, Eric, no? Miko. Sorry. Baliktad. Miko. 3-1 ang score. Dalawa agad ang lamang ng Dark Team. Gavieres to Rodriguez. Pumeke. Nasundutan. Nice retrieve by Rodriguez. Pass to 10 to shoot. To Javier. Perimeter. Uy, nilawa. Tumalbog ang bola. Nakuha ni Kid. Pass to Wax. Wax tumira sa dos. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Javier. Pass to Gavieres. Gavieres pass to Narvaez. Narvaez driving in. No good. Rebound and assist by Javier. Easy point. 3-2 ang score. Inbound by Eric. Pass to Kid. Kid. Tumira sa dos. Yes, sir! 2 points by Kid. 5-2. 5-2. Gavieres to Narvaez. 17 to shoot. Narvaez pass to Uy. Na turnover kay Remuel. Pass to Miko. Miko dribbling the ball. Pass to Wax. To the basket. Yes, sir. 6-2 ang score. 6-2. Narvaez to Gavieres. Gavieres dribbling the ball with 15 shot clock. Gavieres for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points by Gavieres. 6-4 ang score. Remuel dribbling the ball. 6-4. 18 to shoot. Pass to Miko. Miko, pass to Eric. Eric, naghahanap ng kamukha. Binalik kay Miko to Remuel for 2. No good. Rebound by Narvaez. Narvaez nagbababa ng bola. Driving in. Yes, sir. Nice drive by Narvaez. 6-5 ang score. Isa na lang lamang. Wax pass to Miko. Miko dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to Kid. Kid for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points by Kid. 8-5 ang score. 8-5. Gavieres. Nagdadala ng bola, pass to Rodriguez. Javier, perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Nice assist. 8-6 ang score. Dalawang lamang ng Dark Team. 8-6. Remuel, pass to Miko. Muntik mabitawan. Behind the back pass to Wax. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Eric to Miko. Yes, sir. 9-6 ang score. 9-6. Gavieres, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Narvaez, driving into the basket. Yes, sir. 9-7 ang score. 2 points ahead ang Dark Team. 6 minutes ang natitirang oras before the change court. Remuel, pass to Wax. To Kid, open for 2. No good. Rebound by Bongolo. Pass to Gavieres to Narvaez. Narvaez dribbling the ball. Pass to Gavieres. Open for 2. No good. Rebound by Wax. Pass to Eric. Eric pass to Remuel. Remuel to Miko. Miko jumper. No good. Rebound by Narvaez. Narvaez nagdadala ng bola. 20 to shoot. Pass to Javier. Yes, sir. 9-8 ang score. 9-8. Remuel nagdadala ng bola. 9-8. Pass to 15 to shoot. Pass to Kid. Pass to Wax. With 10 to shoot. To Remuel. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Javier. Pass to Gavieres. 9-8. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Dark Team. 5 minutes ang natitirang oras. Pass to Javier. Javier sa ilalim. Tinira. Wala. Napunta kay Kid ang bola. Pass to Wax. Wax nagbababa ng bola si Wax. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Eric. Eric naghahanap ng kamukha. Dribbling. Pass to Wax. Perimeter. One hand. Yes sir. 10-8 ang score. Dalawa ang lamang ng Dark Team. 10-8. 18 to shoot. Gavieres nagdadala ng bola. 12 to shoot. Pass to Narvaez. Pass to Gavieres for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Rodriguez ang bola. Pass to Gavieres to Bongolo. Bongolo to Javier. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Eric ang bola. Wow! Hindi pumasok ang layup outside. Three minutes ang natitirang oras. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. 10-8 ang score. Dalawa ang lamang ng Dark Team. 10-8. Inbound by Bongolo. Pass to Gavieres to Rodriguez. Perimeter. Yes, sir. 10-8 ang score. Easy shot. 10-9. Yeah. 10-9 ang score. 10-9. Isa na lang alamang ng Dark Team. Miko nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Kid for 2. No good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Rodriguez nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Narvaez. Narvaez. Why? Hindi pumasok. Muntik na. Javier dinalawa. Tumira. Pasok. All 10 ang score. All 10. Miko pass to Wax. Wax to Miko. Uy, nahuli ang pasa. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Kid to Wax. Dribbling the ball. Side step. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Bongolo. Pass to Javier. All 10 ang score. Pass to Gavieres. All 10. Pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez pass to Narvaez. To Gavieres. Nice assist. Easy point. 11-10. Lamang na lang isa ang Light Team. 11-10 with 15 to shoot. Remuel nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Kid. Kid dribbling the ball. Pass to Miko. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Bongolo. Bongolo. Pass to Gavieres to Narvaez. Narvaez. Tumawag ng foul si Narvaez. 11-10 ang score in favor of Light Team. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Gavieres to Narvaez. Binalik kay Gavieres. Perimeter. Wala. Napunta kay Wax ang bola. Binato kay Miko. Miko layup is good. All 11. All 11. Same ball, bola ng Light Team. All 11 ang score. Remaining time before the change court, 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Inbound by Gavieres to Rodriguez to Gavieres. Gavieres pass to Javier sa ilalim. Tumira. Yes, sir! Nice assist. 12-11 ang score. 12-11 ang score. Miko nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Eric. Eric pass to Kid. Kid pass to Eric. 5 to shoot. Pass to Wax. Tumira. Pasok. All 12 ang score. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Outside. Turnover. Bola ng Dark Team. Blue. Rendo Azudos wala. Napunta. Nice save. Pero outside pa rin. All 12 ang score. Remaining time, 1 minute and 18 seconds. 1 minute and 18 seconds. All 12. All 12. Inbound by Gavieres. Pass to Narvaez, back to Gavieres. Gavieres to Rodriguez. Uy! Nilabas pa nga ang bola. 15 to shoot. Narvaez, pass to Mongolo to Gavieres. Gavieres, perimeter. Hindi pumasok. Naagaw. Napunta pa rin kay Kid ang bola. Pero napunta na kay Wax. Pass to Rico. Miko tumira. Pasok. Easy point. 52 seconds. Ang natitirang oras. 13-12 ang score. 13-12 in favor of Dart team. Pass to Javier. Tumira, pasok. 13-12 ang score. All 13. Tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Biko ang bola. Pinasa. 10 to shoot. Tumira sa dos. Pasok by Remuel. 2 points by Remuel. 2 points. 16 seconds ang remaining time. 10 seconds. Pass to Narvaez. Outside. 7 seconds. Sa natitirang oras. 15-13. Dalawa lamang ng Dart team. 7 seconds. Ang natitirang oras before the change court. 15-13. Pass to Kid. Kid, tumira sa dos. No good. 2, 1, and change court. Sorry. Change court po.
Walang
Nice, easy point. Pumasok ba?
Yes.
Okay. 15-14 ang score. Nice, all 15. Kid, pass to Eric. Eric, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Miko. Miko, pass to Remuel. Open for 2. No good. Rebound by Javier. Pass to Narvaez. Narvaez, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Gavieres for 2. Yes, sir! 2 points by Gavieres. 17-15 ang score. 17-15. Dalawa lang lamang ng light team. 17-15. Eric, pass to Remuel. 10 to shoot. Pass to Kid. Nasundutan. Foul. Inbound by Wax. Pass to Kid. Pass to Wax. 9 to shoot. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Kid. 5 to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Good. Na-rebound pa rin ni Kid. Pasok. Easy point. 17-16 ang score. 17-16. Gavieres nagdadala ng bola with 15 to shoot. Pass to Narvaez. Ay! Na-turnover kay Remuel. Pass to Wax. Layup. Top board. Yes, sir. All 17 ang score. All 17. 8 minutes ang remaining time. Narvaez, pass to Rodriguez, perimeter. No good. Rebound by Gonzalo. Pass to Gavieres. Gavieres dribbling. Pass to Gonzalo. Tumira masyadong malakas. Nakuha pa rin ni Rodriguez. Pass to Gavieres. Tumira. Yes, sir! 18-17 ang score. Outside ang pagbato ni Kid. Turnover. Bola ng light team. In favor also of light team. 18-17, isa ang lamang ng light team. Gavieres nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Javier. Sinalubong ng depensa. Naagawan pa rin ang bola. Same ball. Same ball. Inbound by Javier. Pass to Gavieres. Gavieres to Gonzalo. Muntik pang mabitawan. Pass to Rodriguez to Javier. Yes, sir! 2 points by Javier. 2017. Tatlo ang lamang ng light team. Wax pass to Miko to Eric. Nice cut. Pinasa kay Miko, wala napunta kay Gonzalo ang bola. Nice defense by the light team. Gavieres nagdadala ng bola with 15 to shoot. Pass to Narvaez, binato kay Gonzalo sa ilalim. Binalik kay Narvaez. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Pass to Gavieres to Javier. Tumira, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Gonzalo to the basket. Yes, sir! 21-17. Apat ang lamang. Miko layup is good. 21-18. 21-18 ang score in favor of light team. Rodriguez dribbling the ball. Perimeter. Hindi pinagalaw ang bola at tinira agad. Napunta kay Eric ang bola. Pass to Kid. Kid dribbling. Driving. Pass to Wax. Wax. Pinasa kay Miko. Miko nahuli ang pasa. Nice defense by Narvaez. Narvaez 3-on-2 on the court. Narvaez pass to Javier. Tumira. Yes, sir. 22-18 ang score. 22-18. 5 minutes and 40 seconds ang remaining time. Wax to the basket. Yes, sir. From pass to basket for 2. 22-20. Dalawa na lang lamang ng light team. Narvaez, nahuli ang pasa. Foul ang tawag. Nice call. Same ball. Same ball. Inbound by Narvaez to Rodriguez to Narvaez to Gavieres. 10 to shoot. Gavieres, pass to Gonzalo. 5 to shoot. Tumira si Narvaez. Hindi pumasok. Napunta kay Eric ang bola. Pass to Wax to Miko to the basket. Yes, sir! Isa na lang ang lamang ng line team. 22-21. 5 minutes ang natitirang oras para matapos ang unang laro. Gavieres sa dos. Hindi pumasok na. Rebound ni Wax. Awit. Good. Kaya pa? Kaya yan si Kid nga eh. 22-21 ang score. 22-21. Sila light. Inbound by Eric. Pass to Miko. Pass to Remuel sa dos. Yes, sir! 2 points by Remuel. Lumabang na lang isa ulit ang Dark Team. 23-22. Gavieres nagdadala na bola. Pass to Javier. Javier. Dinadalawa, tinatatlo, tumira. Foul. Kinapitan na parang kapitan. 23-22 ang score. Rodriguez to Gavieres for 2. No good. Rebound by Gonzalo to the basket. Yes, sir. Powerful rebound by Gonzalo. All 23 ang score. All 23. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to Wax. Wax umikot. Nice defense. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Gonzalo. Pass to Narvaez. Narvaez nagdadala ng bola to Javier. Javier napigilan ang pagtira. Outside. 4 minutes. Ang natitirang oras, same ball. Same ball. All 23. All 23. Inbound. Pass to Gavieres to Rodriguez. Last 4 minutes to Gavieres. 10 to shoot. Gavieres. Perimeter. Yes, sir! 24-23. Isang lamang ng light team. 24-23. Isang lamang ng light team. 18 to shoot. 24-23. 3 minutes and 35 seconds ang remaining time. Miko pass to Remuel. Nice fake to Eric to Miko. Miko for 2. No good. Rebound by Javier. Javier nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Narvaez. 20 to shoot. Narvaez to Gavieres. Gavieres to Gonzalo. Traveling violation. Nakalimutan ang passport. 24-23, lamang lang isa ang line. Inbound by Eric, pass to Miko to Wax sa gitna. Binalik kay Miko, driving in. Foul ang tawag. Foul Rodriguez. 24-23. 3 minutes. Kid for 2. Yes, sir! Lamang na lang isa uli ang Dart team. Palitan lamang ang dalawang team. Narvaez nagdadala ng bola. Jumper with one hand. No good. Rebound by Eric. Nagdadala ng bola. 25-24. Isa ang lamang ng Dart team. 17 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Miko nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Wax. 10 to shoot. Wax dribbling. Fadeaway shot. Yes, sir. 26-24. Dalawang lamang ng Dart team. 26-24. Dalawang lamang ng Dart team. Gavieres dribbling the ball. Pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez pass to Narvaez. Narvaez pass to Gavieres. Gavieres to Javier. Into the basket. Yes, sir. Nice. Ay, tumawag siya ng foul. Tumawag ng foul, not counted. 26-24 pa rin ang score with 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Ang natitirang oras sa pass to Gavieres to Narvaez. Narvaez, 5 to shoot. 4, 3, 2, 1. Foul ang tawag. Foul ang tawag. 26-24, 1 minute and 53 seconds. Inbound by Gavieres. Pass to Oy. Outside. 1 minute and 53 seconds. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Dalawang lamang ng Dart team. Miko to Kid for 2. Wala. Napunta sa outside. 1 minute and 46 seconds. 26-24. Dalawa lamang ng Dart team. Inbound by Rodriguez. Pass to Gavieres. Gavieres to Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Layup! No good! Napunta kay Eric ang bola. Pass to Miko. Miko nagdadala ng bola. Naghahanap ng kamukha. Pinasa kay Wax. Wax dribbling. Pass to Remuel sa dos. No good. Napunta kay Rodriguez ang bola. Rodriguez. 3 on 2. Floater. Napunta kay Eric. Eric tumira. Pasok. 27-24 ang score. 27-24. Gavieres. 1 minute. 18 to shoot. Narvaez. Driving foul. Ang tawag. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Ang natitirang oras. 27-24. Tatlong na lang ng Dart team. 10 to shoot. Tumira sa gilid. Wala. Outside. 57 seconds. Mahahabol pa kaya ang 3 puntos. Start na. Good na yan Wax nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling the ball. Tatlong lamang ng Dart team. 15 to shoot. 13 to shoot. Inuuwas ang shot clock. 10 to shoot. Pinasa kay Remuel. 6 to shoot. Pass the Kid. 4, 3, 2, 1. No good. Napunta pa rin kay Miko ang bola. Miko nagdadala ng bola. 30 seconds. Pass to Kid for 2. Wala. Napunta kay Wax. Wax. 24 seconds with Nice defense. 19 to shoot. Mikos na ilalim, wala. Nakuha. 14 seconds. 12 seconds. Gavieres, pinasa kay Javier. Javier to the basket. Yes, sir! 6 seconds. 27-25. Dalawang bang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With break. Pangit yun. Crucial.
Baka dito ko i-stop.
End of the ball game. Congratulations, Dark Team. Are you sure you want to stop recording?